Carlin Walker here with a quick tutorial about requirements in Canvas. Some Canvas courses are set up in such a way that a student can't progress on to the next activity until the previous ones are completed in a certain way. Instructors set this up, ensuring that students have all the necessary tools and experiences and resources before moving on. So if we look at this Canvas module here, you'll notice that certain activities or words are already bolded. That means they're available to the student to open and engage with. Okay. On the right-hand side, you'll see little green check marks. That means that this activity has been completed in the way that was required. It doesn't mean it's been graded or perfect. It just means it's been submitted. You know what the requirement is for the assignment by looking at these small gray words to the right. Okay. The circles, the empty circles, mean these requirements haven't been completed yet. If there's nothing there, it means there's no requirement for it to be completed. This Canvas module is set up so the students have to do it in sequential order, meaning one after another, and a student can't skip around. These grayed out ones are not yet available to the student. So let's look and see what this looks like. When you open up an assignment, if it's already been submitted, you'll see the submission details here on the right-hand side of what and how it was submitted. Not all of them need to be submitted. If you look here, this is a page, a learning experience, and it just needs to be marked done. Once it's marked done, that will open up the assignments or activities underneath. See, now this is available to me, okay? But so I can go into this assignment and now engage with it. But let's look and see what a locked assignment looks like so you don't get confused. If I try to go on before completing this assignment as needed, it will tell me that it's locked. But if I read here, I need to do these prerequisites, meaning the things that come before. And look, it's even ready with a link, blue word. So if I click on that, that takes me back to the assignment that I might have accidentally skipped. So I complete that requirement as needed. I hope this tutorial helps you better understand requirements in Canvas and how to navigate them.